Looking for a portable speaker that keeps up with your active lifestyle? This Bluetooth wireless speaker with a detachable carabiner clip offers the perfect blend of convenience and quality sound. Whether you're hiking, working, or just relaxing, it delivers clear audio wherever you go. What sets this speaker apart is its hands-free speakerphone feature, thanks to the built-in microphone. Take calls without missing a beat, whether you're on a conference call or chatting with friends. No need to reach for your phone, just speak and listen through the speaker. Battery life is crucial when you're on the move. This speaker boasts a rechargeable battery that lasts about 2.5 hours at full volume. That's enough time to power through a workout session, a long commute, or an outdoor gathering without scrambling for a charger. Durability matters, especially for outdoor use. With an IPX5 waterproof rating and a rubberized coating, this speaker can handle splashes, rain, and rough handling. Toss it in your bag or clip it to your backpack with confidence, knowing it's built to withstand the elements. The 40mm driver inside packs a punch for its size, delivering surprisingly loud and clear sound. It's perfect for filling a small room or outdoor space with music, podcasts, or audiobooks. Plus, the auxiliary cable lets you connect directly to devices that don't support Bluetooth. Included with the speaker is a detachable carabiner clip, making it easy to attach to your gear or belt loop. This adds a layer of portability that's hard to beat, no more fumbling with bulky cases or tangled cords. Setup is straightforward. The package comes with a micro USB to USB charging cable and a user's guide to get you started quickly. Whether you're tech-savvy or new to wireless speakers, you'll appreciate the simplicity. Users have praised this speaker for delivering great value. One customer mentioned it significantly improved their laptop's sound quality and appreciated the option to use the auxiliary cable for direct connection. It's a reliable companion for everyday use. Another user shared how they used the speaker all day in a classroom setting without needing to recharge. The loud, clear sound met their needs perfectly, proving this speaker is more than just a portable gadget, it's a practical tool for work and play. If you're looking for a compact speaker that doesn't compromise on sound or durability, this Bluetooth wireless speaker is worth a closer look. Its combination of portability, waterproof design, and hands-free calling makes it a versatile choice for almost any situation. Imagine having your favorite music, podcasts, or calls easily accessible wherever you go. This speaker delivers just that, with the added benefit of a detachable clip to keep it securely by your side during any adventure. The rubberized coating not only protects the speaker but also provides a comfortable grip, reducing the chance of accidental drops. This thoughtful design detail shows how much care went into making this speaker user-friendly and resilient. Charging is hassle-free with the included micro USB cable. Just plug it into any USB port, and you're ready to go again in no time. No complicated chargers or adapters required, just simple, reliable power. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a busy professional, or someone who enjoys music on the move, this speaker adapts to your needs. It's small enough to carry everywhere but powerful enough to make a noticeable difference in sound quality. The IPX5 waterproof rating means you don't have to worry about sudden rain showers or accidental splashes near the pool. This speaker keeps playing, so your soundtrack never stops, rain or shine. The detachable carabiner is more than just a clip, it's your ticket to hands-free convenience. Attach it to your backpack, belt, or bike and enjoy music or calls without holding the speaker. It's a small feature that changes how you use your device. Sound quality and battery life often don't come together in compact speakers, but this model strikes a solid balance. You get clear, loud audio and enough battery to keep things going for hours, making it a dependable choice for daily use. If you want a speaker that's ready to go whenever you are, this Bluetooth wireless speaker delivers. It combines portability, durability, and functionality in a sleek package that fits your lifestyle seamlessly. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your portable audio experience. With a solid build, practical features, and positive user feedback, it's a smart investment for anyone who values sound quality on the move.